Phonezone.ua with me, and today we are going to talk about none other than Nokia 230 out here. Talking about this variant, talking about Nokia 230 out here, we can say it was a back then a good variant because it had some exciting features inbuilt in it. Yes, when we say exciting features, it does not include just the internal factors, but the external factors too. When you see the look of this variant, you can see it has got some exciting look at the back side, some different kind of a look at the back. Front might look same as 225 or 215, 216 variants out here. You might be able to see that these variants might offer you the same kind of look in the front side, but back side definitely has a different kind of a look. Talking about this variant, when you see that the back side of this variant is slightly different out there, it's slightly different, or we can say has got some different wonders out there, then we can say they have done some upgradation. So upgradations की बात करें, if we talk about the upgradation, then we can see the screen size might remain the same of 2.5 inches with TFT colorization, but the colorization you would see is 65K, which is a degraded version. Yes, 65K is a degraded version out here. Along with that, it has slightly reduced weightage and a heavy weightage both. Heavy as compared to the older versions, because older versions were max to max of 85 grams, where you will see more than 90 grams, and slightly light because we have seen a heavy variant out here, which is Nokia 225. So we can say that this variant was slightly heavy out here. Talking about this variant, talking about these kind of variants, we can say that this variant was slightly not just heavy out here, but had few things which we have not seen in the earlier variants. Talking about this variant, it was like we can say have a good entry out there of 1000, but could have been a better variant because having 16 MB storage capacity would not work well just for 1000 mAh, 1000 entries, and with just a selfie camera and a megapixel camera out here, because these kind of storage capacity requires a high storage, like these kind of activities need a high storage capacity. Talking about the storage capacity, it has got expandability because offering you 2 megapixel rear camera and offering you a good selfie camera of 2 megapixel gives you expandability in taking selfies, doing video calling type, and everything like self recording also. Talking about these kind of variants, does it offer good battery life or not? Yes, definitely it offers a good battery life of about a day. Yes, about a day, because 1200 mAh battery offering you 23 to 23 and a half hours talk time is really a good version out there. Talking about this variant, it has got all the other internal factors which are inbuilt in it, like multimedia, FM, camera quality, voice memo, documentations out there. Talking about the recordings, talking about any other factor, they all are inbuilt in it. So having these kind of good variations, good qualities out here, does this phone comes in a pocketable rate or not? Does this phone offers a good kind of pocket rate, or we can say are they cost effective or not, or does we it gives you savings or not? To that question, we have a site for you. Yes, we have a site called phonezone.ae. The site name has been highlighted out here, so I'm highlighting the site name again. The site name is phonezone.ae. As you can see, the name itself suggests phone zone. It's a proper zone of phones out here. Talking about this variant, there is a category out here, all mobile phones, where you get to see n number of brands, where you can get to know all the we can say gadgets out there from these specified renowned brands. Apart from this, this icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. Like I am typing Nokia 230 out here and searching about that phone. As I already told you, these variants do offer you the similarity in the frontal side, but back side has definitely changed out. So the result is out. As you can see the results we have in front of us, and having the results, it shows a description box. A description box is something which has all the specifications and features inbuilt written over here, so you can get to see all the specifications. Apart from that, you get to see there's a condition written. This condition is refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition and then we can talk ahead. So let us first know what is refurbished and how it works, everything out there. So that we can know what are the major differences between refurbished and brand new products. So we need to know these terms first. Talking about refurbished product or a brand new product or talking about something which are absolutely quite similar out there. So let me tell you the refurbished products and the brand new product, they are not much similar, they are not much dissimilar. Why we say so? Because the brand new product goes through a phase which involves just the company, the main company, the original company out there which has manufactured it, or the base point. Then it comes to the agency or the marketplace out there, whosoever is the retailer. Then it goes to the users. Yes, this is the main process for brand new. Whereas when we talk about the refurbished product, it has been an addition to it. Yes, it is an addition to it. Like brand new ends at the user itself, whereas refurbished adds on from here, like company, marketplace, user. Then what happens? Then user wants to give it back or does not want to use it. So that has been pre-owned phone. It goes back to an agency, a marketplace, a place where it can be valued, it can be tested out there. Then it is given a certificate, it is tested out there, it's certified, it's published on the site, and then it is again given to the users who wants to have that phone, who wants to have that variant out there. So this is an addition. That's why we say that refurbished products are like new. These are newly liked products, these are newly liked brands out there. So this is an addition to brand new products. Talking about addition and subtraction out there, what are these additional points of it, or I can say what are the parameters which are based on the certifications, how we certify them, how we test them. So they are absolutely same. They are exactly the way how brand new products are tested out and how we test out the original products. They are also original out there. If we talk about refurbished products, they are absolutely original products. How we say so? There have been a list of parameters, like we get to check their quality. Quality is checked out on the basis of the external and internal factors. Talking about the internal factors, we can say the internal factors involves the operating system. Yes, the operating system it has inbuilt in it. If it's for Apple, it has to be iOS. It's for Android, then Android operating system. Any other operating system, it has to be checked. The CPU, GPU out there, the infrared ports, the Bluetooth connectivity, hotspot connectivity, WAN connectivity out there. Then you have to be checked that SIM is recognized or not. You have to be very sure about the SIM recognition. You have to be very sure about the internal capacity of that, external storage capacity, internal RAM out there. As well as there is an internal factors which involve the checking of the colorization, data wiping, the LCD screening, the captive screening out there, the touch screen. जितने भी internal factors होते हैं, all the internal factors which are involved in it. Then when we talk about the internal factors, they have to be checked very precisely with the processing systems out there, with other gadgets out there. Then we come to the next point, that is the external factors. External factors involves the main outlook, we can say, or the factors which we can see through our eyes. Yes, like we can see if we have a gadget, whether it is a proper size or not, whether it has scratches or not, whether the buttons built in it are working or not, the touch is working or not, the camera quality, video quality, audio quality out there, whether when we do a phone call, whether the calling is going correctly or not. Everything which can be externally seen has to be checked. As well as the battery has to be checked, whether it's taking charging or not. Everything whichever involves. All the factors which makes a gadget a proper phone from brand new, like how a brand new phone is tested out on every side. Those tests are also for the refurbished product. When these tests have been done, when we say that these tests can be done and these are verified, then we see them as refurbished or a certified refurbished product. So they are the same out there. Now let us talk about the benefits, because there are few benefits of refurbished products over brand new, and why you should you can prefer brand new, or we can say why brand new products are quite good for the people who have issue with the highly expensive phones out there. Number one, if we talk about it, is the savings. Savings, one word which says itself. You get up to save a lot of money out there. Yes. When we talk about brand new products, they are slightly expensive out there, whereas the refurbished products are quite less expensive. So there's a difference out there. There is slight difference in their pricing. So they give you a savings. So savings to हो गई. How about the pricing? How if they differ, whether they're pocketable or not? Yes, they are pocketable rating out there. Yes, when we talk about refurbished products, they are so pocketable. They are absolutely pocketable rates out there. And when we talk about these pocketable rates, these don't just only offers you a good pricing for your favorite gadgets, but a warranty period too. Talking about the warranty period, we have seen that once a phone has been pre-owned, it usually do not get the warranty period. We do not get the warranty of that gadget. We do not get to see the warranty of that gadget. But definitely on the site where it is conditioned out refurbished, and especially in this site which we are talking right now, which I just took you out, offers a 6 months warranty as well as offers you 7-day exchange policy. So these are the two additional benefits of this site. Yes, of this site, especially if I talk about, these are the two additional benefits. 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy can be seen out here. Talking about the site out there, what else do you see on this site? I'm going to take you to the site and we are going to see how other benefits you can have from this site. So I have taken you to the site, and as you all know, the site name is phonezone.ae, which I'm highlighting right now. This is the site name, Phone Zone. As itself, the word says, phone zone. It's a zone of all the phones, or a place, or a location where every kind of gadget could be seen. Talking about this variant about which we were talking, we had seen that it offers you 6 months warranty and it offers you 7-day exchange policy. Already I told you that. Apart from that, COD and free shipping can be seen on this site. Yes, you can see COD and free shipping also. Apart from this, one additional or one good thing about this site could be said, it offers you 100% original products. Yes, it offers you 100% original products out there. And also, if we talk about this Phone Zone site out there, we can say that this site usually gives a delivery within 48 hours. Yes, in most of the parts of UAE, you get to see delivery within 48 hours. That is free shipping. Whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. And but the shipping is definitely free out there, as well as you might also see that there are various factors which are involved in the packing and everything. You get to see a perfect packed box with all the documentation and necessary accessories out there, all which have been listed by the company itself. So these are the few important points regarding the site. And if you like to order, you can place the order online or call on the executive helpline, which is in the description box. Link has been given in the description box. All the details have been given for ordering. You can place your order out there. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.